Thinking of starting an auto parts business in Singapore? With a strong automotive aftermarket and steady demand from workshops, fleet operators, and car owners, the auto parts industry offers reliable business opportunities. An auto parts business may involve importing, wholesaling, or retailing spare parts, accessories, or performance components for passenger cars, commercial vehicles, or motorcycles. The first step is to register your company with ACRA and define the appropriate trading or automotive-related business activities. Next, regulatory and operational compliance is important. Auto parts businesses must ensure product compatibility, safety standards, and proper documentation, especially when importing parts. Inventory management, supplier reliability, and logistics planning play a key role in maintaining smooth operations. Strong financial planning is essential. This includes managing inventory costs, pricing strategies, cash flow, and tax compliance. Building strong relationships with workshops and distributors can help scale your business sustainably. At 3E Accounting Singapore, we support automotive and trading businesses with company incorporation, regulatory guidance, tax planning, and accounting services, so you can grow your auto parts business with confidence.